Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to find and delete unknown network on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your phone settings. I'm going to click on here to open my phone settings. After you open up your phone settings, it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Wi-Fi. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to Advanced Options. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to Saved Network. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply select the unknown network that you want to delete from your network save. So simply click on it and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and simply click on Forget right here, and the network will be deleted and totally removed from your Wi-Fi network. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.